This is the elevator at the main building, Indiana/Purdue University, Columbus. And this looks interesting. No way. Is this what I think it is? What? No way. Is this a US? I think this is a US. No way. If this is, then this is my first one ever. I like the wooden cab. Very nice. Oh, but look at this. Wow. It's a US. Oh my gosh, this is my first one. Wow, this is a US. Wow, these fixtures are so interesting. There's a phone, and it's got a 2,500 pound capacity, but oh my gosh, it's a US. Wow, this is amazing. We have to take another ride. Wow, I'm literally foaming right now. I have never ridden a US Circle Touch until now. This thing does shake a little bit going up. Wow, I just love this thing right off the bat. These fixtures. This thing is so cool. Oh my gosh. Let's see, can we ring the bell? I guess it's not gonna ring. I'm taking another ride. This thing is too cool. Oh my gosh. Actually, I have an idea. I'll let it close and then we'll hear the bell. That is awesome. And door does not close when you push the button. This thing is awesome. Wow. Awesomeness. And there it goes. And that is going to be it for me.